If you've got multiple domains in Squarespace and you need to set one of them or change one of them as your primary domain, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's dive straight in. So the first thing you want to do to set your primary domain in Squarespace is go over to the left-hand side from this page, and you are going to see your little gear icon in your profile picture. You're going to click on the gear icon. Now from here you will see a menu on the left hand side. You're going to go and click on domains and email. Now here is where you will see your domains. So let's click on domains and you'll see a list of domains here. All right, so this is the built-in domain that you get when you sign up to Squarespace. Now on the right hand side, if you have multiple domains, you'll be able to click on the three dots and simply select the domain as your primary domain. But of course, if you only have one domain, you'll only be able to have this one as your primary domain. This is where you will manage everything.